Hello, my name is Kevin Reichelt. I'm from Steller's Garage in Shelton, Connecticut. I've been a Drive client since 2008. I think we're going on 17 years, and I've achieved much success with being with them. So when I first started working with Drive, I'm a mechanic, I'm not a business owner, and I always thought that the way to make more money is to turn more wrenches. When I realized that I make more money not from under the hood, but from in an office, to focus and to realize the potential of a business and become a businessman, a business leader, that's when I started to see things really move forward. And I think a lot of us we hear these stories of other shop owners that are very successful. Some of them aren't even, they're absentee owners, and it is something that's possible. So an enlightening point in my time was when I realized that it is possible to do better with Drive. We all get to the point where we're overwhelmed and we really don't know what to do. And that's not a good time to really take action. When I get like that, I make a phone call to another business associate and I ask them for advice. And that's a great thing about Drive, is you could always call your consultant. So I've been with Drive since 2008, and I've helped other shop owners come on board. I feel as though any automotive shop owner needs a consultant or somebody to help them out. Drive has helped me over the years become fairly successful, and I'm going on almost 30 years of being in business, 75 years this year for my shop. It's insane to think about. I kind of wish I got on earlier. And the moment to get on is as soon as you can. Like anybody asks, when should you quit smoking? Now. When should you go on a diet? Now. When should you start exercising? Now. When should you change your mindset to get with a consulting group? I think is now. I think the greatest impact that Drive has had on me is networking with other shop owners, realizing my own personal potential, my business potential. During COVID, when the world was falling apart, we realized that we are essential workers and we're in charge of our own destiny. I realized that on a daily as well, when things change, that we could make adjustments for the better. When I say for the better, it's not just myself, it's my customers, my employees, the parts people, and working together, it just really helps us succeed.